Bruce from iHealth Saunas here, guys. I'm at the Melbourne Home Show. We're super excited to be here. We're showcasing all of our models, but in particular, we've got two brand new models. The first one I'd like to show you is our City Compact. This thing is amazing. It's only 600 millimeters deep and 850 millimeters wide. So it's got two positions, the retracted position, and then you simply just open the door, pull the sauna out, take a seat. This is incredible. We've got speakers in here. You can plug your device in to play some music. Thermostatically controlled. You can have it ready to come on in the morning when you wake up. You've got heaters all around you here. Heaters underneath the seat. This is the perfect sauna for somebody that's just really tight on space, but they really want to get a sauna in their house to help reduce pain and get rid of all the toxins and chemicals. So that one we're super excited about, and just plugs into a normal power point. But here's the big deal, guys. For the first time ever in Australia, we've got our brand new outdoor barrel sauna. This thing is amazing. As you can see, it's very unique looking. It will withstand any weather conditions, all right? Rain, hail, shine. We've got it demonstrated here. It actually comes with some shiplap tiles, which are going to go all the way over the roof, all right? Actually, this one's from Cyprus, but we're going to get cedar models coming in. Have a look inside here. There is heaps of room, all right? You've got heaters all around the sauna, all right? Plenty of room for 3 or even 4 people. See, if I sit up in the corner here, you can see that there's still plenty of room left. We've got a light. This is perfect for somebody that's got a backyard, perhaps a swimming pool next to it. Chuck it in, plug it into a power point, just a 15 amp power point for this one, and away you go. Lifetime heater warranty on all of our saunas, and we're an Australian company that's been around for nearly 15 years. Alright, hope you like the video, guys. If you want to come down and check them out for yourselves, have a sit in them and feel the heat. They're all running. We'd love to see you down here.